Imagine you throw a party, you've got snacks, music, vibes, and then slowly, one by one, everyone starts backing away from you. No one runs, no one explains, they just increase their distance respectfully. That's the universe. Except instead of people, it's galaxies. And instead of it being an imaginary party, it's reality. Let's explore this. Hello there, welcome back to Star Stuff, where I, little old me on tiny round Earth, will be explaining the expansion of the universe. First of all, let's meet Edwin Hubble. Before him, scientists basically thought the universe was big, static, minding its business, and then Hubble said, respectfully, no. Using telescopes and spectral data, he studied galaxies like the Andromeda Galaxy, and noticed something very specific. The light from galaxies wasn't where it should be. It shifted toward the red end of the spectrum. Not just, oops, my glasses are dirty, shifted. More like, the universe is doing something dramatic, shifted. You already understand this because ambulances exist. On the Doppler effect, if the ambulance is coming towards you, the waves are squished, and there's a higher pitch. If it's moving away from you, the waves are stretched, and there's a lower pitch. Now replace sound with light. Light has wavelengths too. Blue has short squished wavelengths, and red has long stretched wavelengths. So if something's moving toward us, there's blueshift. If something is moving away from us, there's redshift. And Hubble looked out into space and basically went, why is everything running away from me? Not just some galaxies, almost all of them, which is either a personal problem or the universe is expanding. It's the second one, probably. Now we're going to see how it goes from, interesting, to, whoa, you got like proof. Scientists didn't just notice galaxies moving away. They measured how far away they are and how fast they're leaving using Cepheid variable and type 1a supernova. These are basically the universe's version of, I know exactly how bright this should be. So if it looks dimmer, it's farther away.
These stars are so important because they're the secret to measuring large distances. We use these stars to measure the distance to other galaxies. Cepheid variable stars pulse. They get brighter and then dimmer. They grow bigger and then smaller. This is caused by a change happening deep within the star. The gas inside the star is changing transparency.
Now combine that with redshift speed, and you get Hubble's law, which says the farther away a galaxy is, the faster it's moving away. So galaxies aren't just leaving. They're leaving like a nearby galaxy would say, I should head out soon. A distant galaxy would say, I've been gone for years. If you plot the data, you get a straight line. And scientists love straight lines. It means the universe is behaving. Consistently chaotic. Let's look at the balloon analogy. It's a classic explanation. You draw dots on a balloon and you blow it up. Every dot moves away from every other dot. No dot is the center. An important detail that people miss, the dots are not moving across the surface itself is expanding. And the same with the universe. Galaxies aren't flying through space like cars on a highway. Space is stretching itself, which is rude because you can't see it directly, but it affects everything. Also, yes, this means the universe has no center that we can point to. So if anyone says, where's the center of the universe? You can confidently say, everywhere, and also nowhere. Good luck. Now let's look at what it is expanding into, which is a question that has emotionally damaged generations. What's outside the universe? The short answer is that there is no outside that we know of, because space itself is expanding. It's not expanding into something like air or a room or your neighbor's Wi-Fi signal. It's expanding in its own thing. Trying to imagine this is like trying to see the edge of everything. Your brain will attempt it, and then it will quietly shut down like a laptop with 75 tabs open. So you're probably thinking, okay, cool, it's expanding. Probably slowing down over time, right? Nope, because the universe woke up and chose chaos. So scientists discovered that expansion is actually speeding up, and it's driven by dark energy, which makes up about 70% of the universe. And we understand it just enough to say, it exists, and it's aggressive. So the universe is expanding, accelerating, and refusing to elaborate. And all in all, we know light shifts, which tells us motion. Everything that is redshifted is leaving. The farther away it is, the faster it is moving, which confirms expansion. It's space itself that's stretching, not galaxies zooming around. And of course, the universe isn't just expanding, it's doing it faster over time. So next time you say, I need space, just remember you're already inside something that's already giving space, whether it wants it or not. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And if you'd like to support the channel, you can join to be a member. If you have any questions or opinions you'd like to share, that's what the comment section is for. Cool beans?